You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words, as well as how to say more vocabulary in English that too many get confused by and mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. How do you say it? Actual. Chu, yes, a ch sound here, a chu sound, and o. Actual. Stress on the first syllable. Both British and American English pronunciations are similar, so it's easy once you know actual. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Like it, at least it helps me immensely. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.